Mass Video Blaster Pro makes it easy to manage your videos. You can split them between different campaigns. To create a new campaign, just simply click on Add and enter the campaign name. The next thing you need to do is add your accounts. So enter the account detail and you're good to go. Now let's assign the account to our newly created campaign. The Manage Video module is used to add or import new videos into your campaigns. Click on Add to add a single video or import all video files from a local file folder. Click on Import to import videos from a text file where you can automatically assign the title, description, and tags. As you can see, the videos have been imported into our campaign. You can upload the same video multiple times, and to do that, click on Duplicate and enter the number of duplicates you want. Right-click on a video and click on Edit to edit the video title, description, or tags. Here you can write custom syntax, text, or each video information is unique. Now that we've finished importing and editing our videos, we need to move on to the Upload module. Before uploading, we'll need to assign the account to the videos. Now let me show you all the options you can change while uploading videos. You can select the upload type. You can change the actions. You can also do extra actions before uploading a video. You can upload the video as unlisted, enable age restriction, disable comments and ratings. You can also check the video Google or YouTube position. After Mass Video Blaster Pro logs into an account, it will wait for a certain amount of time before uploading the video. The video editor is one of the most important parts of the software. You have an option to change audio of the video or even add a watermark to your video before the video is uploaded. Another great option is to cut the random time or append and intro movie to your video. Various other options are available within the Upload Settings window. All we have to do now is start uploading our videos. Clicking on the Start actions will begin the upload process. After a few minutes, depending on our internet speed, all the videos will be uploaded. You can always watch the upload process by clicking on the Show Browser from the bottom of the screen. Now that all the videos from our campaign are uploaded, we can start doing various actions on them. We can list, unlist, disable comments, disable ratings, add annotations, change thumbnail, or even add 300 views to our videos.
So what are you waiting for? Are you ready to focus on things that really matter and leave all that repetitive task of MVD? Hit the buy button now.